Hello friends, I'm Pranav Sunesh. As many of you guys know through Instagram or news or YouTube, there was a massive explosion in the capital city of Lebanon called Beirut. So we're gonna see what is the cause of this explosion and we're gonna see about the deaths and the injured number. So secondly, we're gonna see about a shocking thing, which is that Microsoft wants to buy TikTok. Microsoft is an American company, wants to buy a Chinese company, which is TikTok. So we're gonna see why Microsoft wants to buy TikTok, and thirdly we're gonna see about IPL, Indian Premier League. So recently many fans are wanting to boycott IPL because it has a Chinese company as a sponsor, as a title sponsor. So we're gonna see what is that, which is that company, which is the Chinese company, and we're gonna see why the fans are wanting to boycott the IPL. But before seeing all that, if you are not subscribed to the channel, then go and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Done? Super. Now let's go to the topic. Firstly, we're going to see about the Beirut explosion. We're going to see the cause of the explosion and the aftermath of this explosion. So first, let's see the cause of the explosion. On September 2013, there was a ship containing ammonium nitrate which was sailing from Georgia to Mozambique. But the ship needed some technical support, so it docked at the Beirut port, Lebanon. It was found that the ship was containing 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate, and since the ship did not have proper paperwork, the ship was stopped and forbidden to sail. The owner of the ship had abandoned the ship when all the efforts trying to release the ship failed. Ammonium nitrate was unloaded from the ship and stored at the storage facility called Hangar 12. Since then, the ammonium nitrate was just laying down there. And finally, on August 4, 2020, the storage facility had caught on fire and exploded. Because the facility caught fire, the fire and the heat must have ignited the ammonium nitrate, which caused to the explosion. So here's a video showing the explosion a few moments ago. This is how the explosion was caused. You can see at the starting there was a fire, a smoke coming out of the building. It was a fire, and then after a few seconds later the building just exploded and the surrounding area had also been affected because of the explosion. So here's a picture on the aftermath of the explosion site. You can see that the whole area is destroyed. You can see how much destruction does this explosion has caused over there. Now secondly, we're gonna see about Microsoft planning to buy TikTok. See, India had banned TikTok because it was a security threat and TikTok had lost its biggest market, which is India. Now its second biggest market, which is USA, is planning to ban TikTok. The popular Chinese app has come under scrutiny from the US government due to concerns of privacy and its ties to the Chinese state. USA wants to ban TikTok because it's a Chinese company and saying that it's a security threat. Because there's a law in China, which I said in the previous video also, there's a law in China which states that you should give the info about anything to the Chinese government if asked without any questions. So suppose you have a company in China and the Chinese government asks you any information about any user or any other data, then you're supposed to give it to them without asking any questions. So that's what the law states. Because of this, there might be a possibility that the TikTok company has given millions of data to the Chinese government when they are asked by the government. So that's the reason many countries have started banning some of the other Chinese app after India. The only problem that TikTok thinks is that TikTok is a Chinese company. So what if an American company buys a Chinese company? It might become an American company. So they think that the problem will be solved when an American company buys TikTok. But for this information, we have not still got information on this particular topic, that will the problem be solved if Microsoft buys TikTok and changes the Chinese company TikTok to American company. So for this, the news is still not confirmed, but Microsoft is currently in talks of buying TikTok. Now thirdly, we're going to see about IPL, Indian Premier League. So many fans are wanting to boycott IPL because of the Chinese sponsors. So recently, the IPL has been put on hold due to the COVID-19 rising tensions in the country. So you might be there are over 390,000 to 400,000 cases right now, active cases right now in India. So that's the reason the IPL has been put on hold, and it's been confirmed on August 2nd that the 2020 edition of IPL will be conducted in UAE, United Arab Emirates, the country I live in. And in the Emirates, in UAE, it will be conducted in 3 Emirates, which are Dubai, Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. This news cheered up many IPL fans, but they got angry after hearing the next news. So for some reason, the board has decided to retain all its sponsors, including the Chinese mobile company Vivo. So that's the reason in Twitter there's one hashtag that's being popular, which is that hashtag boycott IPL. This news has struck the fans because if you see last month, China had fought with India due to a disputed Himalayan region, and just last month, India had banned 59 Chinese apps in the country due to security threat, and as many as 275 apps were also put under security for potential user privacy violations and national security threats. If you ask now what is the problem, then I'll say it to you clearly. Vivo, a Chinese company, being a sponsor of IPL is the problem. A Chinese company being a sponsor of the Indian Run Cricket League is the problem. So that's it guys for this video. There's nothing else in this video. So if you have some suggestions or any ideas about the channel or videos, then you can email me at suggestions.2.pranav@gmail.com. And with that, I'll meet you in another video next week. Until then, bye, stay home, stay safe, peace.